In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch football matches live in just a few simple steps. I'm going to share two easy methods, so let's get started with the first one. From your homepage, open Google and search for Sky Sports. Once the results appear, scroll down a bit until you find the football section and open it. You may see a cookies prompt, just click on Accept All to continue. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the menu, 3 lines. From there, select the sport you want to watch live. In this case, choose football. Now scroll down until you find the Live on Sky section. Here, you'll see upcoming matches such as Manchester United versus Fulham. If you want to watch a match live, simply click on it. After opening the match page, scroll down and tap on Get Sky Sports. This will take you to another page. Click Get Sky Sports again, and you'll see an option to upgrade. Once you upgrade, you'll be able to watch the match live. For the second method, go back to your homepage and open Google again. This time search for ESPN. Once the site opens, tap on the menu icon, 3 lines, in the top left corner. Select the sport you want to watch live, such as football. Then scroll down to find the list of upcoming matches. To watch a match live, simply follow the same steps as in the first method. These are 2 reliable and legal ways to watch live football matches on both mobile and computer in just a few easy steps.